Good day to everyone. I'm here to show you how to make a box. Let's make a box. As you can see, you see this very good box, very excellent. Now this box, I'm going to help people make it, show you how to make it. So these are the various steps in which you can use in order to make this box. Firstly, you take a clean straight paper, you hold one end like this, you bend it to the other end, and you then straighten it. Where are you doing this in order to make them, in order to use the paper that I want to use to be a square, a perfect square. Then now you take this last part, you bend it right to this, right to the form in which you're no more in the form. Like you can see, this is a line here like that. Then now you take a ruler, you see off the place. Use a ruler, you see off the place. Then now it should make it look like this. Then now you take one side, you bend it. All the four sides that you're bending must be equal to each other. If not, there wasn't a perfect square. You bend it like this, then you come to this other end, you bend it. Are you following? You bend it like this. Then now to the last end, you bend it like this. You bend it like this. Now if you turn behind, you see the mark, this line. You bend it according to where the line is pointing at. You bend it, this thing, it should be perfect. You bend it out wisely, and it should resemble like this. It should look like this, as you can see, like this. Then now you take one of these sides, you bend it like this. You turn the other way, you bend it like this. Now you bend it like this, so it should resemble. There you go under. In the middle you open, then I bend it towards this direction for it to resemble like this. Then now you hold this part, you bend it, you go to the other part, you bend it, then you move like this, you bend it, you bend this other side, bend it like this. It should be like that. Then now you release this place. Then now you do again the same procedure. You bend here, you bend here, you bend it like this, and then like this. Then now you open again here in the middle. Then now you put it like, you bend it like this, you open it again here, you come to one of these sides, you open, you go to this other side, you open. Then now this one you will not scatter, you just in the middle of each of this side, one of these sides like that, there is a middle. You remove it like this, you remove it like this. For you do the same way for all the four sides. Remove it like that and like that. Remove for all the four sides. Remove it perfectly well for no error. Then it should resemble like a two-sided boat. Then now you remove this. You remove out one of the boats for it to resemble like this. Then now you bend it like this. Then now you make as if you want to make a plane. You bend it like this and like this. Then I bend it again like this. Then I bend it again like this. You are bringing one side of the box. Then you hold again here. Bend it like this and like this. Bend it again like this. You bend it again like this. You bend it like this. Then now you resemble this. And this is it. You have made the box. You have made a perfect box. You can see you have made now. This is a perfect box. It resembles like this one, and you can make like this one, and you can put put anything of your choice into the box. Thank you for watching this video, and bye bye.